over here now after all this. I don't think, unless that blonde that just walked out was her. No, I think the two leading one hasn't been out. All right, come to this side.
That one's, I like that one. I like both of them.
Getting a picture? Oh, they're getting a picture. Oh. We'll meet on him right around the corner.
He's a wonderful guy, though. Oh, I know. Yeah, he's really great.
That's my hand. Yes. Did you get it? There it is.
You need that? Okay.
I signed up front.
Good. Got it?
All right, one Colorado person to another.
Oh, really? Where are you from? Very cool. I was born in Boulder. My whole life is Boulder, Denver. I love it. I love it.
Daughter's going to be so jealous.
That's awesome. Here's your ticket.
Oh, somebody's ticket. Thank you.
It's got a little water on it.
Thank you. Great job.
Off the record, you should have won.
Thank you. I won't tell
We loved you.
Taylor.
We voted a lot of times.
Thank you. Thank you. You guys be safe. You get it? Perfect. Thank you guys.
Thank you.